ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय ताण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. In this we are seeing the seventh mantra, tadbhedam tarhi avyakritam asit, and then sa esha iha pravishtah. So avyakrita was explained, and now pravesha shruti is being explained. In Bhashya on 190 we saw this pravesha is that for which all this has been, this Brahma Tattva or Paramatma is the one for which all this Shastra Arambha, in which Avidya is Ashrita, and there Karta, Kriya, Phala, Adhyaropa takes place. All of this we saw, and even though this Jagat is Vyakritam with Namarupa, by itself is Saliladivat Swachan. Saliladivat, Salila Eko Drashta. So later also this Salila Drashtanta will come. Bhashyakara keeps that in mind and writes Bhashya here. Saliladivat, Salilad Iva, Swachan Malam Iva, Phena, Phenam, Phena Budbuda Ityadi. All this Vyakaranam it does. And Swataha it is Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavaha. When you do Nididhyasanam, you have to remember this, and wherever Yat, Yat and Saha, such things are there, you should understand only this for Aham. So for this Aham Artha only Sarva Shastra Arambha is there. Means Mama Brahmatvam. My Brahmatva Pratipadanaya Sarva Shastra Arambha. Yasmin Avidyaya means Mai Avidyaya Swabhavikya. Kartrik Kriya Phala Adhyaropana Krita. In me, because of avidya, in me means me, the adhisthana me, because of avidya, all this adhyaropa is done. I am karta, so and so is karta, this kriya is happening, this the phalam, etc. Or I received this phalam. All adhyaropa. Yaha karanam sarvasya jagataha means I am the karana of this jagat. From me, who is like Salila, all Nama Rupas have come out. In this way, Chintanam should be there, and then later it is even clear when it is given Swataha Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhava. So this is my Mula Swarupa. In this way, I should dwell. Like how it is given in Shloka, Chidananda Rupa has Shivoham Shivoham. Shivoham Shivoham means this only. But if you say, I have understood, I am Chidananda Rupa, but I have not understood Jagat Utpatti is from me. In me there is Nama Rupa, Kriya Karaka Phala Adhyaropa. That means I have not understood what is Brahma. If this is all I had to repeat, I am Chidananda Rupa, I am Chidananda Rupa, so much Shastra Adhyanam is not needed. You just remember that and go on repeating. All this Shastra is to understand Brahma Lakshanam, Tatastha as well as Swarupa. In those lakshanas, I have to understand they are actually my lakshanas. Because I am Brahma. Brahma has lakshanas. Brahma I am. Therefore, I have the same lakshana. In this way, I should understand. On 190, third line in Tika. कांडद्वयात्मनो वेदस्य आरंभो यस्य परस्य प्रतिपत्त्यर्थो विज्ञायते कर्मकांडम ही स्वार्थानुष्ठान आहित चित्त शुद्धि द्वारा तत्वज्ञानोपयोगी इष्यते ज्ञानकांडम तु साक्षादेव तत्र उपयुज्यते सर्वे वेदा यत् पदमामनन्ति इति च श्रूयते स परो अत्र प्रविष्टो देहादाविति योजना. So कांडद्वयात्मक is Veda. कांडद्वयात्मको Vedah. This is a prasiddha vakya. Veda has two kandas, Karma Kanda and Jnana Kanda. Vedasya Arambha. Veda has Arambha doesn't mean Veda has beginning because Vedas are Anadi. Vedasya Arambha means Vedas have this as their purpose to reveal two kandas. Yasya parasya pratipatyartho vijñāyate. And Veda Arambha is for what? For Paramatma, Brahma pratipatyartha. Pratipatti means jnanam. Yasya parasya pratipatyartho vijñāyate. कर्मकांडम ही स्वार्थानुष्ठान आहित चित्त शुद्धि द्वारा कर्मकांडम is if a person follows what is given in karma kanda, then swa artha anusthana, anusthanena ahita. Ahita means placed. Placed means what is understood. That through karma kanda I will get chitta shuddhi. And that chitta shuddhi, what is the objective? Tattva jnana upayogi ishyate. That chitta shuddhi is useful for tattva jnana. So through the swartha anusthana, that chitta shuddhi is provided. It is kept, which is useful for tattva jnanam. And jnana kandam tu sakshadeva tatra upayujyate. Jnana kandam is sakshat useful. Directly it is used. Sakshadeva tatra upayujyate. Tatra kutra?
After Chitta Suddhi.
No, tatra means what?
After Karma Kanda Chitta. Prathanusthana.
No, you have to, tatra is adhikarana shabda. Tatra is indicating saptami vibhakti.
In that Chitta.
So no, it is not chitta.
Jnana Kande?
No, jnana kandam tu sakshadeva tatra upayujyate. Tattva jnane. Tattva jnana upayogi is karma kanda. Jnana kanda is sakshat. Jnana kandam tu sakshadeva tatra. Tattva jnane upayujyate. Jnana kandam directly works there. Karma kanda indirectly works there. It is helpful for tattva jnana. सर्वे वेदा यत् पदम आमनन्ति इति च श्रूयते. सर्वे वेदाः यत् पदम आमनन्ति. Then
तपांसि सर्वाणि च यद्वदन्ति यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण ब्रवीमि ओम इत्येतत्.
This is Kathopanishad. Sarve Veda Yat Padamamananti. Why this quotation is given here? Huh? That all Shastras are revealing that Brahma Vastu. Vedas are revealing this. Iti cha shruyate. Sa paro atra pravishto. Saha paraha. That Paramatma Brahma atra. Atra kutra. Dehadau. Dehadau pravishto. Iti yojana. That Paramatma has entered in this Sharira. Sarvasya Amnayasya Brahmatmani Samanvayam Uktva. Entire Amnaya, its Samanvaya is in Brahmatma Ikya. So that Samanvaya is said in Samanvaya Adhyaya, that is the Tatparya. Tatra Virodha Samadhanartham Aha. But there is Virodha seen. So it says that is because of all avidya. So Dvaita, or why I feel I am not Brahma. Why Jiva Brahma Aikya is not understanding of everybody. If this is what is said in Veda, why we don't understand? So that is because of avidya. So that Virodhi Tattva is given. Virodha Samadhanartham is given. Yasmin avidyaya swabhavikya. In Bhashya it is given. Tika. Adhyasasya chaturvida khyatinam anyatamatvam varayati. I was reading this in the morning and then I thought, I don't know if I have explained chaturvida khyati in last session. But then I thought maybe I did. Because that shloka is there. We saw one shloka earlier. On chaturvida khyati, you see 9 number tippani. Chaturvida khyati iti asat khyatir madhyamikanam akhyatihi sankhya prabhakaranam. Sankhya and Prabhakar, they have akhyati. This is a big topic. Here it has just come casually. By the way, these are khyatis. Anyatha khyati hi tarkikanam. Nayyayika they say anyatha khyati. And Atma khyati is Yogachara, Kshanik Vijnanavada. Avidyayaha tu anirvachyataya anirvachaniya khyati hi Siddhantikanam iti. And Siddhantis have, means Vedantis have anirvachaniya khyati. Now what is khyati? Khyati means khyapanam. Khyapanam means jnanam. What is it that I am knowing? How do you explain jnanam? So, a ghatak jnanam is there, let us say. This ghatak jnanam, Shunyavadi Bauddha will say, this is asat. Asat is being known here, not ghata. It is asat khyati. Asataha khyapanam. In Rajju, if you see Sarpa, asat khyati. Asat is seen. Atma khyati is kshanik vijnanavada. They will say vijnanam khyapanam is happening. So what you are recognizing is vijnanam. This is Atma khyati, Yogachara. Sankhya and Prabhakara. Is akhyati. Akhyati means, according to them, there is no bhranti. Prabhakara darshan doesn't accept illusion at all. They say there is no Brahma. Everything is jnanam only, Brahma. Mix-up could be there, but it is jnanam. There is no bhranti. That's why their khyati is akhyati. And Tarkikas, they say anyatha khyapanam. Anyatha khyati. Anyatha means Rajju is pratyaksha. And Sarpa is Vanastha, let us say. In forest, you have seen Sarpa once. Now, wherever you are walking in ashram, Rajju is there, you are getting this mix up. Pratyaksha one and Smriti is there of something which was seen earlier. But that Vastu was actually there in one. So you are not able to separate the two. What is Pratyaksha and what is Paroksha. Therefore, there is Anyatha Khyati. So there is a shloka for these four. Atma Khyati Rasathyati Rakhyati Khyati Tatha Nirvachana Khyati Rityetat Khyati Panchakam. These are the Panchakhyati. In the Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, three vikalpas are given. Bhashyakar says, Kechit Anye, Kechit Anyatra Anya Dharmavabhasaha. Like that, whatever Vakyas are given there, they are the Khyati Vakyas. Somebody thinks this way, somebody thinks that way. But everybody has accepted that Adhyasa is possible. Here they say, somebody says Adhyasa is in Asat. Somebody says Adhyasa is in Vijnanam, means Atma. Somebody says Adhyasa is in Anya Vastu seen Pratyaksha here, in this way. And somebody says, there is no Viveka between two Jnanam. This Prabhakara, they say this Aviveka. And Siddhanti says it is Anirvachaniya. You will never be able to explain this. You will never be able to explain means we will be able to explain. Satvena you cannot do Nirvachanam. Asatvena you cannot do Nirvachanam. Ubhayatvena you cannot do Nirvachanam. In this way we will explain. So Chaturvida Khyatinam Anyatamatvam. Adhyasa here is not one of the four. Not one of the four means it is not Atma Khyati, Rasat Khyati, Akhyati and Anyatha Khyati. It is other than these four. Anyatamatvam means
One of them.
one of the many. Anyatama is one of the many. Anyatara means one of the two. Avidya iti. Tasya mithya jnanatvena saditvat anadi adhyasa hetutva asiddhihi iti ashankya. Tasyaha mithya jnanatvena saditvat. Avidya is mithya jnanam. Mithya cha tad ajnanam cha iti mithya jnanam. Like Shukti Rajar Jnanam, 10 number Tippani says. So up before 147, all other topics were going on. As soon as this came, Bhashyakar, Tikakar, they all are in full form. Everything of the Vedanta. Those who are thinking, Vedanta is not coming, Vedanta is not coming. When Vedanta comes, then you will see everything is, each word requires all the background. Because it is like that, right? See, Mithya Jnanam. It is Mithya and it is Ajnanam. In this way, you have to translate this. Mithya Ajnanatvena Saditvat Anadi Adhyasa Hetutva Asiddhihi. Iti Ashankya. Ajnanam is anadi or sadi? Anadi means mula vidya, huh? That ajnanam.
Anadi.
That ajnanam, because of which I don't know I am Brahma. When did it begin? It is anadi. But mithya ajnanam can be sadi, Purvapakshi saying. Tasya mithya ajnanatvena saditvat anadi adhyasa hetutva asiddhi. So you don't have to say adhyasa is anadi. Anadi adhyasa hetutva asiddhi. Mithya jnanam can be sadi. Ajnanam is anadi. Mithya jnanam can be sadi, he is saying. Iti ashankyaha. Swabhaviki. Swabhavikya. In Bhashya it is given Swabhavikya. This avidya is Swabhaviki. Swabhaviki means anadi. So mithya jnanam is also anadi. If you take mithya ajnanam, this mithya jnanam shabda as mithya jnanam, then what will be the meaning? Then you have to take it as vikshepa. See, one is ajnanam, second is ajnanam means avarana, and second is vikshepa. Not knowing Rajju as Rajju is ajnanam. Seeing Rajju as Sarpa. So somebody says, okay, not knowing Rajju is anadi, but seeing Rajju as Sarpa is sadi. Right? This is a question. Means somebody is putting an argument that mithya, ajnanam is anadi. This bhranti caused by ajnanam, that could be sadi. So then it says, no. Why? Because anadi, the adhyasa is anadi. Ajnanam is anadi, adhyasa is also anadi. Where is it said adhyasa is anadi? Huh? आपने क्या कहा? हाँ, नैसर्गिकोयम लोक. Any other place? What are the 6 anadis?
Niveshwara.
You have to tell shloka. In that, avidya tachitor yoga. This is adhyasa. Avidya and chaitanya sambandha. Because this is atma anatma. Atma is chaitanya. Anatma is avidya and avidya karyam. Their sambandha is anadi. Avidya tachitor yoga. Yoga shadasmakam anadaya. Everybody knows this shloka or not?
Yes.
If you don't know, then you have to memorize. Shadasmakam. So there it is said, adhyasa is also anadi. Anadi adhyasa hetutva asiddhi. If this shanka is there, no, it is swabhaviki. Swabhaviki means avidya does not need a karma. Anaditva, when they have said, what is the objective? Objective is only this, to show, don't look for its karanam. Don't look for some other nimitta because of which this has happened. This is there all the time. Isko band kar do. So avidya does not need nimitta. तस्या विद्या प्रागभावत्वम् अविद्यायाः व्यावर्तयति. And avidya is not vidya pragabhava, like how Nayayikas have understood. They say avidya is pragabhava of vidya. That is not the case. Why? Kartri kriya phala adhyaropana krita. Nahi. So what is the meaning of this? Nahi tad upadanatvam abhavatve sambhavati. I hope you all are paying close attention to every word. Lot of Siddhanta, Vedanta Siddhantas are given here. Avidya is Anadi. Adhyasa is also Anadi. Vedanta Khyati is Anirvachaniya Khyati, different from the other four. Those things are given in one sentences. Now what is said? Avidya is not Abhavarupa. Avidya is Bhavarupa. There is another Siddhanta given. Why it is not Abhavarupa? Why it is Bhavarupa? Ajnanam, or if you say Avidya, Bhavarupa. Because nahi tad upadanatvam abhavatve sambhavati. Tad upadanatvam. Tad upadanatvam. What is the meaning of tad? No, tad is not avidya. Tad is karta kriya phala. Kartri kriya phala. Kartri kriya phalanam upadanatvam. Kartri kriya phala upadanatvam. Kartri kriya phalanam upadanatvam avidyayaha. Avidya having all of this as its karya. Avidya is the karanam. This will not happen if it was abhavarupa. Abhavarupa vastu cannot become upadana karanam. In Vedanta, Jagat Utpatti is from avidya. Note this point. In Vedanta, Jagat Utpatti is from avidya. Because Jagat Utpatti is from avidya, avidya cannot be abhavarupa. In Nyaya, Jagat Utpatti is from Paramanu and certain things are Nitya. So they are okay with avidya as abhavarupa. Sankhya, avidya is abhavarupa because Jagat is from Prakriti, Pradhanam. They also don't have problem. In Vedanta, Jagat is from avidya. What is the advantage? When avidya goes, Jagat will go. In their case, avidya will go. Jagat will remain. This is the Bheda. Bhavarupa avidya and abhavarupa avidya, this is the fundamental difference. So they have accepted avidya as abhavarupa. So only avidya will go and avidya and Jagat has no sambandha in their Siddhanta. Avidya and Jagat, they are not associated. In Vedanta, avidya is upadana karanam of Jagat. So, karanam if it goes, karya will also go. Then only you will get Advaita. Only by avidya nivritti there is Advaita. If this, in my mind, if it is not clear, in Shastra it is clear. But if I don't understand avidya and Jagat are associated, the Jagat is Bhranti on Brahma. So when avidya is gone, Bhranti also should go. If this doesn't happen and I say, I know I have Brahma, I am Brahma, I know this and that, Shuddha, Satchidananda, but all this Jagat is there, Jagat is giving me problem. So what will Acharya say? Study Vedanta. And if you say, but I have already studied, so he'll just add again at the end. Means study again. Do not understand. I am Brahma and Jagat is problem for me. Both of them cannot be together. See further. नहीं तद उपादानत्वम अभावत्वे संभवति न च उपादानांतरम अस्ति इति भावः. Somebody says something else can be upadanam. Why do you have to say avidya alone is upadanam? Avidya can be abhav rupa and parmanu can be upadanam of jagat, like how Naiyayikas have done, or pradhanam can be upadanam. Why you have to insist on this? Why do we say avidya is upadanam? Because we have Shruti Pramana for this. When we say Sadeva Somya idamagra asid ekameva advitiyam, ekameva advitiya vastu cannot be upadana karanam unless it is parinami. If it is parinami, vikari, then it will be vinashi, anitya. Brahma or Sat cannot be anitya. So there will be Shruti Virodha. Therefore, you will have to say avidya, because of avidya there is Jagat. And other uddharanas are there, like Yoga Vashishta, etc. also you will find. Avidyaya Jagat Jatam. Nasti Sattvam Ihanvapi. Here even this much Satyatva is not there. Like my Jagrat Avidya projects Swapna Jagat, like that. Anvayastu sarvatra yad shabdasya purvavat drashtavyaha. Anvayah tu sarvatra yad shabdasya. So yadartha sarva shastra arambaha yasmin avidyaya swavavikya, all these yaha karanam. So all this yad shabda is anvita in all of them. आत्मनि कर्तृत्व अध्यासस्य अविद्याकृतत्व उक्त्या समन्वये विरोधः समाहितः संप्रति अध्यास कारणस्य उक्तत्वे अपि निमित्तोपादान भेदं सांख्यवादम् आशंक्य उक्तमेव कारणं तद्भेद निराकरणार्थं कथयति. Atmani kartrutva adhyasasya. In Atma, kartrutva adhyasa is there. Kartrutva adhyasasya avidya kritatva uktya. This I am karta. Atmani karta. See, when you read the sentence, Atmani kartrutva adhyasa is there. So don't think, okay, Atma is there, in that there is kartrutva adhyasa. Understood this. Tell me further. Atmani kartrutva adhyasa means I have done something. This buddhi. I am doing something. This buddhi. This is called Atmani Kartrutva Adhyasa. This is superimposed. This is Avidyakrita. Avidyakritattva uktya samanvaye virodha samahita. In samanvaya, Brahmatma Ikya, there is samanvaya. In that, virodha will come because of kartrutva, karakatva, etc. It's samadhanam. Samahita means samadhanam is done. Samprati, अध्यास कारणस्य उक्तत्वे अपि निमित्तोपादान भेदम सांख्यवादम आशंक्य उक्तमेव कारणम तद भेद निराकरणार्थम कथयति। अध्यास कारणस्य उक्तत्वे अपि, व्हाट इज द अध्यास कारणम? हियर टिप्पणीकार says अध्यास means you take अज्ञानम अथवा अध्यास कारणम is अज्ञानम। उक्तत्वे अपि निमित्तोपादान भेदम सांख्यवादम आशंक्य। इन सांख्य सिद्धांत जगत उपादानम is प्रधानम, निमित्त is पुरुष विशेष, ईश्वर they call. पुरुष विशेष is निमित्त कारण and उपादान कारण is पुरुष विशेष और तेजस से पुरुष, प्रकृति is उपादान। If they are Seshwar Sankhya, then they will say Purusha Vishesha. See, that is what they have given in Tippani, Yogam Antarbhavya Aha Sankhya-vadam. Sankhya Yoga together. Ashankya Uktam eva Karanam Tad Bheda Nirakaranartham Kathayati. So that Karanam is shown here for Bheda Nirakaranartham. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।